Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to remove name lock in a Realme phone. So let us start our video. You have to see here there was many different app icon shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here there was many option. You have to move up and you have to firstly click on that setting icon. You have to see here setting icon, so click on here. Then you have to see there was many different options shown in your mobile phone. You have to see here different function plays different option plays different function. So you have to firstly, if you want to remove name lock in your mobile phone, click on the password and biometrics option. So click on here. Now click on the lock screen password option. Now you have to enter your name lock like that and click on the done option. If you want to remove name lock in your mobile phone, then you have to move on the turn off password option. So click on here. Now you have to enter your name lock. Click on here. In this way you have to see result. When you have to click on the back option, turn lock your screen, then again unlock. In this way name lock is removed in your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any query regarding any function of mobile phone or PC, so please comment us. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video. Thank you.